So Sarah, what about this? Are there things that we should be looking at that people are going to expect if they were to come to work for your company?
For sure. And opportunity to grow is one of the number one things. I've heard that so many times on interviews, what are you looking for? Well, and we always ask, where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? And that's a big piece of that is I want to be able to move up. I want to be able to grow. So many people we've talked to are like, I want to own my own business in the next 5 years, so it's having a path to where they can have that opportunity to move up and know they're not just going to get hired and be in one spot for the next 5-10 years. We've already talked about clear, honest, consistent communication, positive environment, uplifting culture, mission and vision that's believable. That goes back to the do what you say you're going to do. Recognition of performance, talked about that a little bit already as well. Work-life balance, that's definitely something that we're looking for. Like I said, is there going to be that flexibility if I need to leave 10 minutes early every Wednesday? Is that going to be a big deal? My kid has blah, 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 being able to be able to, and part of that too is just knowing that they're important. They're not just somebody that's coming in that's just a number to you, that their life outside of work is important, that who they are is important. So these are things that they're looking for a company to provide when they're out there applying.
Because I'm a baby boomer, I think I have the authority on this. I have spent my life making work my life. The people you're going to hire today will not do that. They will not make work their life. That's what work-life balance is about. They are going to make life their priority. And you have to understand that. And you not only have to understand it, you have to appreciate it.